4 ways to get rid of bad breath naturally. A number of people are plagued with mouth odor and they might not be fully aware to what extent it makes people around them uncomfortable. Bad breath typically originates in the mouth, where bacteria are ever present. When you eat, bits of food get caught in your teeth. Bacteria grow on these bits of food, releasing foul-smelling sulfur compounds. The most common cause of bad breath is poor dental hygiene. If you don't brush and floss often, the bacteria in your mouth continue to grow, and a thin film of bacteria known as plaque builds up on your teeth. Here are a few ways to get rid of bad breath naturally. 1. Parsley. Parsley has a fresh scent and high chlorophyll content, which suggests that it can have a deodorizing effect. To use parsley for bad breath, chew on fresh leaves after each meal or buy a parsley dietary supplement. 2. Green tea. Green tea is an effective home remedy for bad breath because it has disinfectant and deodorizing properties that can temporarily freshen the breath. Mint has similar effects, so a cup of green mint tea may be an ideal breath freshener. 3. Fennel and anise seeds. Fennel and anise seeds have been used to freshen breath. In parts of India, roasted fennel seeds are still used as mouth fresheners, to cleanse after dinner breath. They taste sweet and contain aromatic essential oils that give the breath a fresh scent. Fennel and anise seeds can be eaten plain, roasted, or coated with sugar. 4. Yogurt. Yogurt contains healthy bacteria called lactobacillus, and these healthy bacteria can help combat bad bacteria in various parts of your body, like your gut. To use yogurt to fight bad breath, have 1 serving per day of plain, non-fat yogurt. Thank you for watching this. If you find this video informative, do like and subscribe and let us know in the comment below about sharing your thought in this. See you in the next video, and until then stay tuned to aid the student.